Top 5 Best Kids Toy Pack. Number 5. Kunfeng STEM Construction Toys 6. Well designed and good quality. Multifunctional Trucks Toy. Take apart toy. Strong and resistant. Educational toys. Please check out the description for details and update price. Number 4. Pullback Cars Alloy Vehicles Set. Environmental protection material. Quality guarantee. Mini car model, with a very color and style. Alloy material composition. Bright and colorful car. Pull back and go. Please check out the description for details and update price. Number 3. Sliding Toy Cars, Pocket Construction. Toy trucks for 1 to 3 years old boys, girls, toddlers, kids. Mini car model, with a very color and style. No battery required, controlled by hands. Designed for little kids. Playing this multicolored. Please check out the description for details and update price. Number 2. Wish Alive 8-in-1. 1032 PCS Safety and Environmental ABS Building Bricks. It is an educational toy for kids, boys and girls. Include handcuffs, handgun, machine gun. A fun city building toys for boys and girls. Great gift for boys, girls, kids. Please check out the description for details and update price. Number 1. Bowly 5-piece Jumbo Dinosaur Set. Perfect for Jurassic enthusiasts. 100% satisfaction guarantee. Incredibly realistic. Vibrant colors. Amazingly realistic look. Please check out the description for details and update price.